Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you change iCloud email address. To change your iCloud email address, you need to follow the steps. First of all, you want to open up your settings. On the next field, you want to go ahead and click on your Apple ID or an iCloud ID from a settings page. As you do it, so underneath you want to go ahead and click on name, phone number and email. And on the next page, you want to click on the edit button right next to the email address. When you click that out, you could click on add or phone number, add email or phone number at the bottom. You want to click that out. You want to then go ahead and click that out. On the next field, it's going to ask you to confirm. So if you're sure about it, click on the continue button. Now then, enter in the new email address that you want to add it. To which you want to go ahead and confirm it by click on the confirm button, enter in the password if necessary, and that way you'll have successfully changed iCloud email address. You might also ask to verify, so you want to go through that steps as well. And that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.